how to measure and install an insect screen to a custom wood Aneeta frameless double-hung window. Custom wood window screen installations can be tricky. Aesthetics play a big part in deciding where and how you're going to install your screen. The installation method selected this time will be a combination of face fixing and in-reveal fixing. Let's see how it's done. To measure the width, place the measuring tape in the window jamb and measure from the left to the right, 1,215 millimeters. Then deduct 5 millimeters off this opening size width so the screen has enough reveal fit clearance. Measure the height from the sill to the top of the edge of the head, 2,645 millimeters. Deducting 5 millimeters from the drop should give us enough clearance. If you're a Starline Security Dealer, our ordering portal will compulsorily add a mid-rail to all window insect screens over 1,550 millimeters. This can't be changed, but when face fixing through the screen frame, like we are here, the mid-rail can be removed from the screen just prior to installation. We also need a 20 by 12 trim angle across the top. Measuring in between the timber reveals gives us an ordering length of 1,145 millimeters. Installing the fly screen. Cut the 20 by 12 trim angle to size. Align with the sides and fix into the head. Our client did not want a screen mid-rail obscuring their view, but window fly screens over 1,550 millimeters cannot keep insect mesh taut without it. The only way to remove the mid-rail and maintain tight mesh is to fix the screen frame directly to the window. To hide these fixings, we use 10mm hole plug caps. When you've marked all the fixing points, place the screen and pre-drill all the way through with a 1/8 drill. Fix off one side first. Tension the mesh when fixing the other side. Install the plug caps to complete the installation. As you can see, this finished insect screen is unobstructive, but it does take a bit more time and care to use this installation method. Congratulations! Subscribe for more videos and contact us if you want to become a Starline Security Dealer.